are you this afternoon?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. I want to ask about the days in a week. Do you know how many days in a week?
Yes, I do.
Okay. How many days in a week?
There are 7 days in a week.
Can you mention the name of the day?
Yes, I can.
Okay. What are they?
There are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Okay, good. What day is today?
Today is Wednesday.
Okay. What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Tuesday.
Okay. What day is tomorrow?
Before yesterday was Monday.
Okay. What day is after tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Thursday.
Okay. How many days in a week?
After tomorrow,
Bella?
there are 7 days in a week.
What day is holiday?
Holiday is Sunday.
Okay, good.